Okay, sound test 1, 2, 3. Sounds pretty good. Let's go check this out on YouTube. Yoo-hoo, poo-poo. YouTube. YouTube. All right, there's no music there, so I guess we're good. YouTube. I guess we're good. All right. I'm gonna charge this phone. And then I'm gonna put it over here. Mm-hmm. Belly. Yeah. Okay. I think we are more or less ready. Let's go. Let's go. Do I have everything I need over here? Oh, I don't have the Vivaldi. Let's launch Vivaldi. Okay, let me see where we are at. Switch to live over here. I think we should be good. Okay. I'm gonna close these. Okay. What? You're showing up on the wrong window. Why are you doing this? My mouse is on the left one. Ah, there we go. Now it is doing it. Okay. Okay. We're gonna do MK logs Next.js. Since we are primarily working on Next.js, I'll just do it over here. Okay. Okay. That's to inspect. When we reload this, it's gonna do a compiling from scratch. That was fast. Okay. La 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 la. Oh, I gotta start the tunnel. What was it called? I wish it just. This is the one. Key, copy, and do here. What's my IP? Yeah. All right, so we're good. What is this? What was the URL? Copy and over here in the constants, must replace it with this. And then this is going to reload. And then there you go. It is Coolio. Sweet. It looks like it did work. Right? Okay, let me open up the file explorer here. And Okay, we are just gonna do this. I just want to test this out and see if it is okay. Things work. That's good. Oh, it actually read the file. Okay. So the last thing here that I did was make it work properly. But I was at this state where I was trying to do the caching mechanism, which I didn't really have. So I need to create caching storage option for both sides. JavaScript, local storage versus session storage. Let's see which one is going to be better for us. Says almost identical and have the same API. The difference is that with session storage data is persisted only until the window or tab is closed. With local storage data is persisted until the user manually clears the browser cache or until your web app clears the data. The storage features. Okay, so it's the same thing. And then okay, let's just do local storage then. So I think in these things here, I need storage options, and in the blueprint, I'm gonna create one here. So I'm gonna do TypeScript file. I'm gonna call it storage. It should be okay now. And then I'm gonna do add. I should not have add. Can I do? Fuck it. Okay. I'm gonna do this thing here. Provide a blueprint. Blueprint. And then here would this be this should be a class. I'll just call this thing here storage base. Okay. And we're gonna do this thing here. We're gonna have a constructor. Okay, we're gonna give this a name. Uh-huh. And we're gonna say here target. Konstantin, how you been, my dude? Welcome, welcome. Long time no see. How's it going? I know I've been really busy working with, I got a new job, so I've been busy with the work. Couldn't really spend too much time. So I'm only like showing up over the weekends. And today is Labor Day, so we are not working. When you have a new job, it takes a lot of time and energy from you, so you can't really. I see I'm also on 3-week vacation trying to defuse, but working on some hobby stuff with Elixir. All right, hold on. Elixir the language, Elixir the templating. I think Laravel has a templating engine called Elixir, if I'm not wrong. Or something Elixir. The language. Compiling assets, Laravel, Elixir. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay. That's some Angular stuff. Oh yeah, I heard of it. I never used it hands-on, so I wasn't really sure what exactly it was. But the name stuck with me. Yeah, Elixir. I actually looked it up. Mhm. Phoenix framework. This is a framework. Okay. Okay. It looks like it's a module-based thing. This looks sweet. This is some interesting syntax, though. It's a functional programming language, so it's really another way of thinking and working. So there are no objects. No objects. All right. Pattern matching is everything. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to understand this line here. What does this really mean? Okay. Assign socket tweets. Okay. Huh. No reply. I can like really understand. This is just trying to understand the syntax. But looks interesting, definitely. Yeah. Okay, it's a template engine too, like Jinja on Django. Okay. It's really interesting how they leverage Elixir to ditch JS. Most of the time when I see those kind of things, it feels more like a gimmick than actual, functional approach, but you never know. I usually like if I'm dealing with a framework, most of the time my approach is utilize it as a REST API instead of dealing anything front end, and then just throw React at it for the front end. that has been my approach. It's well paid. Oh, yeah, money is a good motivator, because I like it. Yeah, either way. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Yeah. So we're gonna do this thing. We're gonna provide basically get. Okay, we're gonna do this thing here. Key. It's going to be a string. Okay, and then default. String. Okay, default. Fuck. I hate this word. This is a keyword. I can't really use it. It's great for this with the system, etc. Because it's fault tolerant. Kind of got bored with React. Yeah, I utilize React because you know so I'm gonna do this thing here, return. I'll just say T. Okay. This sounds good, right? Love TypeScript generics. Aren't they the best? Honestly, I know like it has a lot of issues with it, but I don't think I can go back to JavaScript right now from this. JavaScript feels like too primitive to me now since I've been using this. And I'm definitely certain a few times this saved my ass. Is there like a no implemented error? Oh, there is. Oh, that's the one I created. Yeah, I can't really do this. So we're gonna do here set. This doesn't take anything. We're gonna do here key. Should this be key? It should be a name. Key value. Yeah, let's go with fucking key. We're gonna do key. Hey, played any games recently? I was playing Subnautica like a long while ago, but that was it. Have you played any games recently? I see Twitch top list looks the same for past 5 years. Right? Yeah, pretty much. I don't think COD is ever going away. COD is like the thing is with COD, every year, almost every year or every other year, they release a new game, new version of it, and then it's just pretty much copy paste, nothing new. I don't get it. They just released what COD 6, Black Ops 6. I'm playing anything since last fall, and that was a month spree of playing Diablo 4. Sounds like you had a good time though. Oh, I can't do delete. Uh, staring, a string. Most of friends got married and stopped the game, so that hurts, doesn't it? When like they just keep dropping, dropping out, and then one day like it's just you. But you can make new friends, especially in games like Diablo and like those like has the ones that have like big communities around them. It wouldn't be too hard to find people who are looking to play. But it's most about like if you're gonna be vibing with those people. Okay, get set has unset. I guess that's it, right? Pretty self-explanatory here. I'll just say I'm gonna do this thing here. We're gonna use engine on this one. Okay, so browser, let's come over here. I'm gonna do a new TypeScript file. And then I'm gonna call this thing storage. Okay. And from nice import storage base from blueprints storage. I know I didn't export it, so export default class storage base. So we are here. Okay. I'm gonna do here export default class storage base. What am I doing? This is not I'm still thinking like Python. Extend storage base. Okay. I'll just do engine. I'm gonna do here local storage. Okay. Considering buying a new car, but goddamn prices are insane. I bought mine 5 years ago and it's still worth the same after all the years. That's nuts. I thought about buying a new car because I blew the serpentine belt on my car, which ended up costing me like over $1,000 because the serpentine belt got sunk into the crankshaft and caused issues there. When I took it to the mechanic, they gave me like a really high price. So it was I had to like find alternatives. Clear. Also, yeah, we should also do clear. I'm not a fan of buying a new car. I think 2-3 years old is the best. It loses most of value, and that time is relatively new. I feel exactly the same about that. My car is 2009, like really old, right? But it works, it runs, it meets my needs. I'm just not going to be doing anything with until it completely gives up. I considered buying a new one simply because of the expenses I faced. Otherwise, I wouldn't really be doing it. Hold on. I think I do have a message here. Let's see what's going on. Hmm. Local storage. Is it local storage with L? I think it is. Okay. Still thinking like Python. Constructor. Okay. Super. And I'm gonna do here again. Name. DX Hawaii. Hey, how's it going? name, and then target. Target. Yeah, I think this doesn't really matter. Okay. And then I want to do here this dot engine equals local storage. So I guess that's about it. It could be I'm just having middle age crisis or something. I guess that's a valid reason. I mean, I can't really justify spending that much money on a car for when I don't need it, and I already have one that already works, and I don't really drive because I work from home. You know, like it's just gonna be sitting there losing value for nothing. Doesn't make any sense, you know? Okay, so we're gonna do this thing here first. Okay, so one thing I need on this thing here is namespace. That is okay. That's why I had the target. I forgot what it was. The initial reason. Okay, I'll do target string. Okay, target string, and then this dot target equals target. Okay. So we're gonna come down to here again, and I'm gonna do this thing. Oh, we don't have to worry about that. We're gonna say here target. And same work from home, whatever. I barely drive sometimes on weekends. Getting a Range Rover for that is just lifestyle creeping. Range Rover? Is that the car you want? So we are doing here is key and value here. I'm gonna say here this dot engine dot set item key value. I think this is it, right? It was my dream car, but they really are just piece of garbage now with the Ingenium engine that killed whole Jaguar line together with range. I have no idea what that engine is. Ingenium engine. It's a jail engine that is common in Europe. It's one of the worst engines ever created. The Ingenium family is a range of modular engines produced by Jaguar Land Rover. In both petrol and diesel variants, it uses a modular architecture, making it possible to be produced in 3, 4, or 6-cylinder versions, depending on demand and requirements. One year ago, okay. The straight 6 engineering units are too new to make any definitive statements on reliability. Right now, all vehicles fitted with this engine are still within factory warranty. They appear to be fine for now. As for the comparison with the Ford era, in those days, Land Rover used a mix of engines from various Ford-owned markets or other car makers Ford had made a deal with. The Freelander, Evoque, and early Discovery Sport used the DW Windows engine. Team Too much to read. All 4 cylinders are rubbish, diesel included. He says several visits from a customer that 3.0 supercharged F-base ass. First it drank all the coolant and then bent on rods and several valves. Now it's in because the water pump has packed up. Not common for EU. 2.0 first cylinders are most common and they are terrible. Oh boy. Yeah, engines are something that I know nothing about. I can read the letters on it. You know, it says 2.0 TDI, blah, blah. But I won't know what they mean. I'll open the hood and I'll look inside and so like I'm gonna be like, yeah, that's engine. That's it. That's where my knowledge stops. You know. Also, I'm on the poorest countries in EU. Maintaining a Range Rover is also a task here. What, like Belarus or something? Yeah, Range Rover. Range Rover is expensive wherever you want to maintain it, but it might be a bigger challenge depending on your location for sure. Not really common to see. People who can't afford it, those who can get something more reliable. I would do the same. I would do the same. Okay, so we have this, and now we're gonna do here get. Okay. We're gonna say here this dot engine dot get item key. So I want to understand as T, but I want to understand if this takes like a proper, like a default fallback thingy here. But what is that distro? You mean my Linux distro? This is Ubuntu if you're talking about my OS. I'm on Ubuntu 24. This is 24. I am on the latest stable release. I was on 22. 3.5 months ago, I reinstalled to the latest one. So it looks a little different. I'm using pretty much like out of the box Ubuntu 24 right now. I think the only extension I have is just, what is it that I'm using? I don't even have any extensions. That pretty much as is. Yeah. It works for me. I don't really, have that much of a need. I think I'm on 22, but can't really recall. Yeah, 22 is solid, and the 22 still has like a few years to go before end of life. I was in a position where I could just do the 24 and then just use it. So I just did that instead. Like I did like two. This computer, like the one that I'm working on right now, is a triple boot. I have Windows on it, and I have 2 Ubuntu instances, both 24. One is for work, one is personal. This is my personal. but they are both the same distro, same versions as well. But I've been using Ubuntu like since, I don't know, 2016, 2018. I've been using Ubuntu like pretty much consistently now. I only use Windows like if I have to game or if I had to do something that only works on Windows. Other than that, I don't even launch it. I dual boot. I got one external SSD with Ubuntu that I carry around Windows just for gaming. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I mean, there's nothing that I need Windows for right now, especially for development thing, aside from gaming. And especially with the release of Windows recall thing or whatever it is called that takes a like screenshots and whatnot of your screen. I don't think I would ever use it after that. It's just they kind of made it like, you know, into a creep OS instead of Windows OS. It's more like creep OS, like it just creeps upon you from every corner. I don't trust Windows to do anything anymore, man. I loved Manjaro a lot, but Bleeding Edge is Manjaro. I don't know what that means. Is that a word? All right, let me see. Search Google for Manjaro. Oh, the Linux for people and organizations. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've never heard of this before. It's based on the Arch Linux. Okay. Tag Networks Manager, domain in Austria, France, and Germany. All right. It looks solid though. I like my environment like as hassle-free as possible, right? If it is more bells and whistles out of the box, so I don't have to deal with it myself, I'll just go with that one. So this like Ubuntu so far, honestly, has been like such a delight to utilize. The only thing I don't like about this Ubuntu or pretty much any Linux distro is their Bluetooth drivers. It's always buggy for some reason, especially if you are using AirPods. Just always a challenge to utilize. But development work wise, it's been definitely fantastic. So we're gonna do a get, and then we're gonna say here, okay. I think this should work, but I'm whatever. So what happens if get item doesn't have the thing it needs? Actually, we can easily test this over here, right? I'm gonna say here var l equals local storage. Okay. Okay. L dot get item. I'm just gonna say, for example, YOLO here. It gives me null. Okay, so if I do this, it gives me hello. Yeah, this should work. Perfect. Perfect. I like it. So remove. Oh no. Can you do like namespace approach here? If I say L dot set item, L dot set item And I'm going to say here, for example, FL, and then LM equals 1. Would that work? I don't know what just happened. So if I say L dot get item FL, it gives me an object. I'm guessing it doesn't really work that way. Let's Google this. JavaScript local storage store JSON. Don't you need to use Stringify with local storage? Yeah, it appears that way. I didn't know like if it was what you can call this thing, if it supported it or not, but it looks like it doesn't. Yeah, this is literally what I was trying to do. Looking at the Apple Mozilla and Mozilla again documentation, the functionality seems to be limited to handle only string key value pairs. The workaround can be stringify your object before storing it and later parse it when you retrieve it. Okay. I kind of didn't interact with local storage for ages. Same here. This is pretty much like first direct interaction with local storage I've done. Okay, so I guess, yeah, it's definitely going to be a thing here. Okay, let's see this. JavaScript, check if string is JSON. Best way to approach this, I think, JSON, the parse. Amazing points here. I think I have a utils somewhere, right? No? I should have a utils somewhere. Config, constants, exceptions, fingerprint, index request types, uploader, utils. It's staring at me. Export is JSON. So now I can do this over here. So get, So this works, but yeah, I'm gonna call this thing here. Mm-hmm. And then we're gonna say here if JSON that parse out as T return out. This should fix it. I think. Now I'm gonna actually go and test this in a bit here. So what I'll do here now, okay, set, get, what else do I have here? Get, set, has, okay. Has return super has key. No, this is going to be this dot engine. Engine dot. I don't know if that's a thing here. So we have set get item, remove item, clear. Looks like it's not a thing, so we're gonna have to Google this. I'm gonna do here local storage, check if key exists. Yeah, so this is pretty straightforward. We're gonna say this dot engine dot get item key equals null. Perfect. And what else do we have over here? Unset. Unset this dot engine dot remove item. That's it. And then clear is going to be again this dot engine dot clear. Pretty good, I guess. And then what else do we have here? I think that's all, yeah. Right? Right. So the target here is still to do, but I'll get to it. All right, now time to go test it in here. So when I'm dealing with the browser and I'm dealing with the client and I do add client and then the uploader here. So what I'm going to do here in the client when I'm adding the thing, I'm going to go over here. I'm going to say storage equals type of storage. Okay. And then I'll just say here storage storage new storage. And then I'm going to call this name equals file. The fuck? Where is that coming from? That's an existing. I did not know this was a thing, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Import storage from actually just here. All right. You happy now? It wants target. I'm just gonna call it target. I'll also call this file lib. Shouldn't. Hold on. Why is it separating it like this? Oh shit. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I'm the one that's being weird, so it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna do here uploader ops. We're gonna say storage equals type of storage. Again, I need to import that fucker. Import storage from blueprints storage. So it's going to carry the exact same thing, so we should be good. Okay. So now this is where this actually comes into play. I think this is about to become functional in the best way possible. So init upload, whenever you do the init upload, and I get the location, and I'm going to do this, right? This dot, oh shit, I don't have it. So when we are initializing this, right, I'll do storage and storage equals storage. What the fuck am I listening to? Oh. So, hold on. Storage equals type of storage. Okay. So storage dot set bro, it does. What are you talking about, typo? It does have set. What are you talking about? Weird though. I don't know how I was doing this function fingerprint. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, it returns the thing, so I'm gonna instead I'll do this. Okay. Fingerprint this dot file dot then. Actually, I'm just gonna do this here. FB equals await fingerprint this dot file. What does this take really? File. Okay, very good. And then okay, Okay, and then console.log. I'll just say fingerprint, no, FP. And then I'm gonna say this dot storage dot set this dot metadata dot file name. Oh, it just has a name. And then I'll do that as fingerprint. Let's see if this is gonna work. And I'm gonna come down here. I'll just say, oh, actually I have a get hash. Ooh. Let's test this and then we test that. Okay, doesn't matter that much. Let's go over here. I'm gonna reload this. Kind of a moment of truth right now. Let's go. I'm just gonna take this over here and I'm gonna say, Wiper! How you doing, my dude? I was good to see you, man. Been a long time. I know, it's been a whole week. Right? So something failed in the fingerprint. Okay, I think to the fingerprint, I'm supposed to pass this.file.data. I think. Actually, I'm just gonna do hash. I'm gonna do here hash. Wait. This dot get hash. And we're gonna do hash. This should be easier, I guess, to track. And that was my intention to create it anyway. So that way it's unique per file. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna come down here. And let's come over here and I'll do this. I didn't get an error this time. Oh! Oh! Hold up. So, application, FL, it's here, but it's object. So this is not correct. Is it still set? Huh, I am not so sure if I'm doing this right. Okay, let's do console.log, right? Setting storage, I'll just say here key and value. Yeah, that's not good. So we're gonna have to like look into this again. I mean, I would be suspicious if it worked on the first try anyway. So, you know, yeah. Created hash. Setting storage, solar hand, hard outline, PNG, this. So how come this is turning into an object? I don't understand. Oh, this is from the previous thing. Yeah. This is right here. There you go. There we go. There we go. Okay. And I see the value here. So I need to make it into something that's a bit more, isolated. That's why I needed a prefix. Yes. Target is my prefix. So I'll do here prefix instead. Okay. Let's do that. And then in the client, when I'm initializing this target, no, the prefix is filelib now. So it brings me here. Okay, yeah, let's make this into prefix as well. Sweet. Cool. What is this complaining about? Oh, there's missing type storage but required type of storage space. Huh? It's identical, motherfucker. What are you talking about? Get this, bro. Hold on. Storage, uploader ops, storage. It's good. Okay. So anyway, I need to do the set metadata name. I'm gonna be making it this. Instead of doing this here, I'm just gonna say this set cache. Okay. And then I'm gonna make this private. Okay. Set cache. Okay. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I'm gonna do this thing here. Const name cache name. Okay. I'll just say here filelib. And then I'll do here file ID. It is file.id. Oh, we don't have a file ID here. This file dot. Yeah, let's do this. Metadata dot name. Mm. 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 And I'll just call it hash. Hash name. This is cool. What's this compile? What's this complaining about? Oh, yeah. Set cache. This has to be. There we go. So I'm gonna do this one more time. I think we are pretty good now, but I'm gonna delete this Coolios. We're gonna come over here. Okay. Okay, file lib, solar head, hard outline, PNG, and it's right here. Cool. Yeah, I like it. Hmm. So I'm gonna test one more thing here just to see. All right, I'm gonna do inspect, and then I'm gonna do a reload. I'm not sure if this is still over here, but let me check. Yeah, they are doing JSON, but it is all stringified, so this is actually pretty nice. I think I should do the same thing. I should do the same thing. Hmm. So it's PNG one. I have no idea, and then the URL. And I have no idea what this is, bro. There's a lot of stuff. But I think I should also utilize this. Yeah. So set cache here would be, all right, I would do this. And then I would do constant payload equals JSON.stringify, and it would be hash. Okay. And then I would do here metadata, this dot metadata. And then I would do upload URL, this dot, I think it's location. And then payload, which is string. So what are you complaining about metadata? Oh, well, thank you. Uh-huh. Creation time. Oh, they do also have a creation time equals new date to ISO string. What else? I think that's about upload URL. We have that. How come this knows that this is fucking JSON? I wonder if it's gonna work the same for me. Okay. Well, time to see it. I'm gonna delete this. Cool. No, 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 no. Okay, there you go. It knows. Creation time, hash, metadata, upload URL. Perfect, bro. Let's go! Woo! Isn't it awesome? All my shit is here. Look at that. I'll also do this. Okay. in case I want to pass something custom, I don't have to worry about it. I can just send it. How do I make this optional? Welcome back, Wiper! Uh, hmm. Guess what? What am I guessing, bro? What happened? Shit, hold on. JavaScript make Rust optional. I played once human today and almost pissed my pants. How come? Is it a scary game? Because I'm scared the game isn't. It's 100% a game that keeps you on the edge of your seat all the time. Sounds like a good game. You know? Let's try something here. Oh. Mm. And it's an open world survival game for free. So how are they making money? In-game purchases. Okay. I'm just gonna call this overrides. And then I'll do that. And then I'll just say overrides or this. Good. Okay, cool. There you go. There's a workaround. It's kind of stupid to deal with it, but whatever. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. So this works, which is good. I'm happy with this. Hooray! I feel like I could make this into its own thing. I feel like I should do that. Like genuinely. I hate dealing with this, but what to do? All right, let me see here. 1 second. Gotta log in and I'll open this. Mm. Okay. All right. Let me take this here. What? What is this? I'm kind of getting hungry too. One second. I gotta type this password. Verify you are human. Oh no. Login verification and then password. You guys are just killing me right now. I don't want to be doing this. God damn it. Yeah, I don't want to do it right now. Fuck it. I can't. Fucking creepy as fuck, bro. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make this as easy as possible here. Now, let me go over here. I'll do a new project. I'm gonna make this. What the fuck is JavaScript, motherfucker? I can't do like straight up JavaScript. No JS. I guess that could work. Okay, we're gonna close repos. I'm gonna call this thing JM storage. What am I supposed to call this? Yeah, I'm conflicted because I already have a JM storage. I'm gonna call this JM cache. Uh, mm, I hate this naming convention shit. Come on, just come to me already. This will do. Okay. It started the thing for me. Okay, hold on. I think I gotta do this one more time. What is this? Chat head on the monitor? Yeah. um. Hmm. Mm. Okay, we're gonna do here new file. We're gonna call this src index.ts. Okay. Export default function. I'm gonna say here storage. I'm gonna say here return release candidate storage. But what I want to do here is actually yeah, I want to do the same thing here. Hold on, this is the wrong one, isn't it? Mm. 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 What am I gonna name this shit? Directory packages. And then I'm gonna call it JustinMusti storage. Okay. Guys, one sec. I'm gonna check on something here. Check on something. Okay, we're back and we can continue. I'm just gonna call this thing here JM node. Okay. Just what the fuck is this pain? Okay. So, hmm. Okay. I think this is close enough. Jose, we don't need that one. I, we don't need that one. Don't need that one. Okay. Okay. So this would be okay. Now let's go over here and I'm gonna take this. Okay. Hmm. I want to get the prettier here because honestly, this is just nuts. Let's just paste. What else are we doing here? Prettier, where prettier and TypeScript on the type dependencies. Okay. CD, what the hell did I name that shit? JustinMusti storage. Ew. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh shit, still? Do I also have another issue here? Yeah, we are trying to install it. God damn it. There we go. So- Okay. Okay. Don't have any JSX on this, so it doesn't make sense. Okay. So let's see. Hold on. Why do I have two of these? Probably I was trying to figure things out. Okay. Yeah. All right. So now if I'm doing this, we are just gonna go ahead, do the same thing here, right? I'm gonna do directory browser. Okay. And then I'm gonna place this fucker right here. Oh no, what am I doing here? Paste. Okay. Now paste. Okay. I'll do another directory here, blueprints. Okay, and then I'll steal this one to here. Why does this keep coming here? Okay. Okay, I also need a utils files with this, so I'm gonna take this as well. Actually, no, this should be on the root level. I'm gonna create a new directory here, src key, and then just paste this. So utils, okay, group array, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. Cool. I'm gonna do this and then do this, and here we go. This is kind of wrong, but why? Oh, it's this. Okay. There we go. So we are all good over here. I think this is pretty much it. And then I'm gonna do here. Only for browser now, which we're gonna add for Node. So I'm gonna do copy paste. I'm gonna make this Node. That's fine. Storage engine here. Okay, that it's gonna be the file system. But I cannot make it into promises though, because then it's going to be problematic. Node write to file without promise. Writing files with Node.js. Promise. Oh, okay. Okay. So I'll just do this here. This is it. And then local storage. Okay. Okay. So import as fs key from node fs. How do you do the prettier thing here? I just don't wanna. There you go. Sweetness. So it would be like this. All right, set. This is literally all I need. So the engine here, we do not really. Engine would be fs, right? So here I would say this dot engine dot write file sync, and then the content would be that. We don't really need to do this now. And then here I would say constant content equals JSON.stringify key value. Is it like this? Okay. Yeah, I always forget this. I will see if this is gonna work or not. And then cool. I kind of want to test this. I can test this right directly. I don't really have to worry about it. Okay, hold on. Let's see. I'm gonna do here node. Okay, we're gonna say here constant fs equals require node fs. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna do here constant file name equals test dot JSON. I'll just call it. Okay. And then I'll get this fs dot this. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna say here let payload equals. I'm gonna say this is gonna ask for double quotes. Hello world. Okay, if I do payload, okay, that's good. And then if I say fs dot sync, and then I say file name JSON dot stringify payload. I guess that's it. Stringify. Did I make a fucking? Oh yeah, I did. There's an I there that's missing. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm liking this. Hmm. Hmm. So this would be. Actually, this would be it. It just would be a giant goddamn JSON, and I would be just reading right into it. Yeah, pretty much. This is it. And I'm gonna let this be just this, because if it fails, it should fail. And then get, I would just read from the file and then return it. But this time it will be entirely around JSON because that's how we're dealing with that. Right? Right. So here in the node, I'm already dealing with this client reading file, read file sync. Okay. So you just read it. Okay, that's basically it. So we do, okay. I'll call this path. Okay, it's going to be a string. And then engine will be fs. Hold on, what is this complaining about? Oh, I'm just gonna say like type of. Can I do that? Okay, and then I'm gonna call this here path equals string. And then this dot path equals path, and then engine equals fs. So we have a bunch of errors here. Yeah, these don't matter right now because when we do the get, we're gonna say file. Let's see here. Constant content equals this dot engine dot read file sync this dot path, right? And then I'm gonna call this there, and then constant content equals JSON dot parse content. God damn it. Okay. Hold on, this is a buffer? No, I need it to be read file sync. What the fuck? Oh, I'm supposed to pass that? Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, now the error goes away. Okay. What? What are you complaining about? Highlight. Okay, whatever. And then, cool. Yeah, that's it. So this is good. And then here we say, what's going on here? Yeah, whatever. And here I just do return content key or default value, which will be undefined. So what I'm going to do here is JavaScript get JSON key. Fallback value. Object.keys. Has own property. Okay, so we're gonna do here if not content dot has own property key, right? We're gonna say return default value, return Okay. ST. ST. I think this should do. This probably can be better, but you know. Anyway, and then this is gonna be a little thing here, so we still have to do this. I'm gonna have to do this and then do this, and then I will simply return this. It returns Boolean, so we are good. Okay. So this one here, okay, we have the content, and then we parse the content, and then we say del delete content key, and then this dot engine write file sync content. Oh, write file sync, and then it will be this dot path and then content. Okay. And this one here, I'll just basically do this. Makes sense. Damn, I already did the whole thing here. Cool. All right, let's do this here. Package JSON import paths for node and browser. It's a fucking setting. I saw it's like somewhere. I can't remember where. Imports, exports. Okay, let's see. Imports. Entries in the imports field must be strings starting with hash. Permit mapping to external packages. This field defines subpath imports for current package. I don't fucking understand. What's this mean? Depth. What's that mean? I'm not getting this shit, yeah. Yeah, what does this mean? I am not following it at all. Okay, let's do this here. Imports. Okay. It looks pretty straightforward. I just don't understand what exactly does this mean. Entries in the imports field must be strings starting with @. So like this is whatever object you are exporting, and then you send it to that particular thing. I'm like really trying to understand this shit. Okay, I'm gonna see here package JSON imports field. Not sufficient. Did I see that chakra UI? Oh no, let me see if that's what I saw it. Let me see if that's what I saw it. Module main type description. Okay. Publishing. Publish config access. Public. Keywords, dependencies, scripts, exports. Okay, so source import. Huh? This made me like even more confused. Like, how is this a fucking sufficient explanation? So this will be exports node, and this will be the browser. Hmm. Import and require. Import and require. It will be like the same. Hmm. Hmm. I feel like I'm getting there slowly. Package JSON exports node versus browser. Where the heck did I see this? I've seen that before. Without knowing what error you are getting or what the types doesn't seem to be working for you, can tell that your export section appears to be missing types information, especially if your TS files exports. Default. God damn it. I seen that setting somewhere. I just don't know where I saw it. Uh, mhm. Where Should have saved that thing. Did I save it? Doesn't look like I did. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Package JSON imports field. Mm, did I see it here? Oh boy. Target environment. Mm, I think this is the exports browser and node, and I think that's about it. So let me see if this is gonna give me like any help here, the suggestions. So if I'm here and if I say exports, we have node as a result when its environment is in node. So okay. I'll just do here dist node index.js. And then I will say default. Okay, dist. Hold on, I'm gonna do this thing here. Browser. I know this is not a thing, but I'm gonna check it anyway. Dist browser index.js. And default is gonna be the same. And that's it. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I honestly have no idea. So I would have an index here. TypeScript file. Index.tx. And then export default storage from storage. Actually, this will be the same exact thing here. And then that's it. Should work, yeah? Yeah, I am glad you agree. I don't know if this is gonna work. Hold on, why is this here? Oh, right. Okay. I know this is not gonna work, but heck it. Is it quit? Is it this? No. How do you get out of this, y'all? Oh, it's that exit. Yeah. Okay, there we go. No inputs were found in the config file. Oh, so yeah, I think this needs to be all in a new directory called src, and then we are no, hold on. Gonna move it over here. Should make sense. And then looking at okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Can't find module utils and its corresponding type declarations. Right. It did generate this. You gotta be kidding me. Aren't you installing this already? Like, what is your deal? What was it? Types node. It's installed. Can you find now? Doesn't look like it's doing anything. Yeah, whatever. Let's do this again. Cannot find module node fs or corresponding type declarations. Browser storage ts. Okay, browser storage ts. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna do this here. Oh my god. Yeah, this I don't understand. What the fuck does this mean? It's node. Don't you know node? Uh, so it's a TS config thing that I need to provide. Oh, I am really confused right now. Compiler options, types node. Type roots, not modules, types. So how come when I'm in here, there's no node modules right here? It shows up over here rather than here. This doesn't make any sense. TSC not found. Why is it installing it here, but not, sorry, why is it not installing it here? Still installs it here. What? Is that like a package.json thing? Okay. Mean this index.js. I think I can get rid of this now. Key this repository key. Blah, 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 blah. I don't see anything. Still installs it here, bro. What is your problem? I am having the weirdest problem here. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Okay, so I just came down to this. Not on the root there. Storage root is expected to contain all source files. Right. Uh, okay, let's do is not on the root there. Okay, see, because we are doing multiple packages thing. Uh, root there, out there, root there. Yeah, let's see. Okay. No errors, but I'm not sure if this actually. The packages is also here. What the heck is going on here? I am really confused with this. Like, I'm genuinely confused with this. Okay, I think I'll come over here and let's examine this. Overrides. Uh-huh. Hmm. So this main one, the name would be JustinMusti. And then this one here would be just storage. Okay. I am doing something really wrong. I'm not sure what I am doing wrong though. This is the weirdest thing. Type module main, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's check this. Type module main dist node index.js. Not sure if this is gonna really help anything. Bruh, what is going on? There's no packages, so it's just a distinction. So this is not it. Where did I see that utilization? I saw it somewhere. I can't remember for the life of me. Oh. Hmm. Yeah, everything is a relative path here. So what the fuck is going on here? Dot, 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 and then dot, and then dot. What the hell is going on, bro? I am really confused here. Why is it doing this? npm install ignores current directory. What the fuck is going on here? This is the correct name. There's nothing wrong with the name. There is no space or something in it, right? Nope. So, Emir, how we doing, my dude? Okay, npm packages. Mm. Mm. Did I make a typo in that name? No. Oh, this is so fucking stupid. Yeah, I was doing damn shit. I think that was the problem. Yeah, I see them here. I'm gonna delete this again. You should install to the this directory. Nice. Finally. It still has everything here. I don't understand. What the fuck are you doing? I wonder if it is this. I wonder if it is this. There are like same name. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do refactor. Okay, now it looks like how it is supposed to look. Yeah, that was definitely causing issues. So yeah, root dir here, I think that's why I think it's doing that. I think that's why it's doing that. That is the setting I think I took for granted. That's probably what happened. There you go. It still says SRC, but okay. Now I can actually do out there dist and then root there. I can still do this. I think I'll hold on. What's going on? Mm. Mm. It's weird that it includes the parent. Mm. So I need type roots, but it's already there. Breadcrumb, how we doing, my dude? Is it just Node? Is it just this? Okay, that's just it. Doing well, just eating some enchiladas and relaxing for a minute. All right, that's more like it. So I think I'm gonna create another package here called utils. Okay. And then utils is gonna have this. Okay. Refactor. And then this will be deleted. Okay. This is going to be refactor to index. No. Oh, you got to be fucking. There we go. Oh no. God damn it. I keep. No. There we go. I'm gonna get rid of this export function JSON item. Okay, I'm gonna this thing here unknown. Okay. What? Ah, it will be reused. Don't worry about it. And then we're gonna come over here, and then we're gonna call this utils. Shit. Sorry, I think I have another message. Oh no. Plugin creation. Is this a library you're making? Yeah, I am. I am. Okay, now let's go fix this problem, eh? You love libraries? Hell yeah. Ooh, tell me about libraries. It's all I want. Seriously, I have an unhealthy obsession with extension methods and libraries. That might help you learn, right? I'm like big into compartmentalization myself, right? So it's something that I like. I dive into quite often. Ah, what am I doing? Okay, let's do this thing. So we're gonna do here TypeScript import function from another workspace. If I could spell, I think it would be JustinMusti and utils. Yeah, it doesn't know what it is. I think it still generates this, which is fine. Holy shit! What is going on here? So cryptic. Whoa. Okay. But it works. It works. Okay. Cool. This is an okay problem to have, I think. So yeah. I guess 1 sec. I'm gonna go check on my lady real quick. So I'm gonna keep going until my lady says it's time to eat. Okay, npm build. Okay, npm package import from another workspace. Hmm. Oh, so this will be a dependency. Okay. Got it. I think I'm gonna do it that way. But first, hmm, yeah, there we go. And then over here, I would do, right? Yeah, I would install it. Uh-huh. Yeah, it won't. Hold on, we gotta do this. I think I figured it out. Okay. This one doesn't need this. And this should be it. No inputs were found in config file. Oh, this is supposed to be inside a subc. Okay. So now it should work. There we go. There we go. Okay, now I want to see here what it would say. Okay. And then if I remove this, it should give me an from utils. Oh, okay. No errors. And it works. It's more like it. All right, so we're gonna do this here. Sorry. Time to get this going, yo. You know? Mm. What the hell did I name this thing? Help to push some. Okay, I don't know what it is, but. Ah, you dingleberry motherfucker. Ooh. Okay, I wanna reset without losing anything. Git undo local commit keep changes. Oh, this fucking failed. User.name. Ah! Ah! I am scared of doing this. Okay. I always in like, yeah. Okay. So so where's the dot git? What? It's just not gonna show. Anyway, so we're gonna do here node modules and this is gonna be gone as well. Okay, that's it. Okay. So do I include the dist folder or no? I don't know. I will not. I will exclude it, but okay, it excluded it. So I guess we're fine. Git commit git push. Yeah, force it. What's the worst it's gonna do? you know. Uh, okay, it's here. Now I'm gonna try to install it and see if it would work. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna say here npm install from GitHub. So if I come to Lumen Gift, oh, no, 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 no. What have I done? I installed the Express. I was like too fast. Vision Media. I don't see it. It installed it. Holy shit, it's here. npm install workspace from Git. Lexi, thanks for the raid. How are you? I'm not muted, right? No, okay. I got sound. Thanks for the raid. Pretty good. Having a frustrating time merging a Canvas.js engine into Next.js. Oh no. That's interesting. Hold on. Canvas.js is strictly a browser thing, right? Isn't it? Like it only works on the browser side. It doesn't work on the Node.js side. That's probably why you're having the issue. I experienced something similar very recently. If you are trying to run a package that has browser specific dependencies, like local storage and things like this, anything that's only available on the browser, and you try to run that on a server component, for example, or a component that runs on the server side, it will give it a lot of like errors to you. It was cryptic to me. It initially didn't make any sense. So that might be it. Because Next.js has client components and server components. And if you are initializing it in a server component that has browser dependencies, it's not going to work. And as to what I'm working on, I'm creating I'm not using anything fancy with storage at the moment. It's an HTML, JS program engine thing. Ah, got it. Oh, I hope you can figure it out. So currently, I'm creating a plugin for the Uppy file uploader that uses my API as a service. So it came to the point where I needed caching mechanism that would run both on the browser side and on the Node.js side. So I ended up creating a brand new npm module just for that, and I'm turning it into an npm package that you can install. Basically, that's it. Runs fine on GitHub Pages, and I need to get it to play nice with each IO. Oh, yeah, I will pay attention to that, because if you have if your node server is trying to run that's browsers only code, this is the first thing I can think of. Maybe I'm off. So basically, what I'm creating right now is a storage mechanism that is environment agnostic, that would work both on node and browser, and the API will be the same. I'm pretty sure the issue is each is course with JS, so I need to get Webpack to behave. Oh, okay. Have a great stream. Ah, thank you very much. Thanks for the raid again. I hope you enjoy your evening. Thank you. Let's go check out Lexi's stream. I'm curious. And drop a follow there. Right? Right. The sun is hitting like just right in the face. Jumpy mouse. Yeah, I dropped the follow. Hope to catch you when you are on again. Oh, food is ready. My girlfriend just told me food is ready. All right, let's see. Let's see who's out here. Bruh. This looks cool. Yeah, looks interesting. So I'm just gonna go over here. All right, everybody. The latest one isn't using an engine enough. My games are at lexi.ich.io. Yeah, I'll drop you a follow. I'll just I'll catch you on your next stream. Yeah, I have to go get some food myself. So everybody, thanks for watching. I'm gonna continue this on the next weekend. So hopefully we're gonna be able to make some further progress on that one. Until then, you guys have a good night, and I'll catch you in the next stream. My girlfriend like, come here before the food gets cold. See ya.